Welcome to my channel. During the full moon on September 6th, I got inside messages from my spirit guide and angels to do like a reading, special reading. And I combined Eastern astrology, Chinese zodiac, with Western astrology and with Greenwich Tarot and Healing Crystals Oracle deck. This video is for dog. Those are the years, born years for a dog. The first combination is dog and Aries. Aries. Few of personality things: ambitions, responsible, optimistic towards troubles. In love, they are stable, harmonious. The message from Tarot is you've been through some things, some changes, and you have some troubles, and now you are going to smooth water, so everything is going to clear up. And I covered that with an angel card, the Emperor. Organization and logic, structure and discipline. You should use leadership. Message from crystals: my life is filled with happiness and prosperity. The next combination is dog and Taurus. Excellent abilities to handling things. Love, hold, prudent and earnest attitude towards every love relationship. Message from the Tarot: now you got clarity. You have some things going on, and I don't know, through meditation and thinking, and now you got clarity. The message from crystals: my thoughts are clear and focused. Oh, look at that. Okay, so the next combination is Rooster and Scorpio. Some personality things. You are good in creativity. You have a lot of hope, expectation. You have a powerful energy for a new phase in your life, job or creativity. The message from Tarot: yeah, victory. Everything is gonna be great. Message from the crystals: I release all limitation that I have placed upon myself. The next combination is dog and Cancer. Some personality things. They are born distinctive. They can control and manage own life very well. In love, they give up everything and devote themselves to others. The Tarot message is the Wheel of Fortune. Abundance. You're trying new ideas. It's your destiny. You got a lucky brick. Message from the crystals: I am pleased with the steady progress of my spiritual growth. The next combination is dog and Leo. You are born with optimistic attitude. loyal to the company, new ideals but realists, and love, choose to trust people. Message from the tarot. Okay, from you got to on the stage of your life that you have some abundance, and now you decide to pay forward. So you give some gifts to others, like newlyweds, teenagers. Make a gift or donation. A message from the crystal. I communicate love, hope, and joy to others. Next combination is dog and Virgo. They are right-minded and warm-hearted, willing to help others. And love, they treat love with extremely serious attitude. Message from the tarot. You guys got some abundance, a very nice house, clothes, you got friends, but you like hiding. You are not, you are picky to invite others in your house. So, and you are picky to share with who share your abundance. Message from the crystals cards, oracle cards. I succeed in all my endeavors. Yeah, sure. The next one, it's a dog and Libra. Born to be altruist and idealist, not stingy to express admiration. You have a talent in creation and design. Love, high standards, finding a suitable person. Yeah. Message from the tarot. You're juggling. You try to choose between two partners or two jobs or two houses. Try to make a choice. Here's a crystal message. I am surrounded by protective energy of my ancestors. The next combination is dog and Scorpio. Some of the personality. You have acute judgment and excellent eloquence. You like sharing own ideas. And love, you are prudent and considerate manners. The message from the tarot. Some of you have authority, power. You are protecting what it's creating. You got to the stage of accomplishment. Message from the crystals. I am grounded and connected to the energy of the earth. I shuffle and oh, that came. Dog and Sagittarius. You have inherent adventure spirit. You behave honest and cautious, glad to accept other people's suggestion. And love can deal with conflicts in a relationship. Message from the tarot. Some of you like riding horses. Some of you like nature. Some of you have a teenager in the house and she's ready to leave home to find her new path. Some of you change job and you pack ready to go. Change residence. Message from the crystals. My senses are in tune with my surroundings. Dog and Capricorn. They are conservative. They they are judging by money. And love, desire to have a stable and simple love life. For some of you, this is the message from Tarot. Some of you, you travel, commute for job, or others you like fishing or hunting, and when you're going and coming back, everything you have on schedule. Somebody's waiting for you home, worry, thinking about you. Message from the crystals. My dreams assist me in my spiritual growth. The next combination, it's a dog and Aquarius. Some of the personality types provide constructive suggestion and express their own opinion. And love, they are crazy when they are falling in love. Message from the Tarot. You have the moon. Here is the moon. Okay. Some things went fishing. When you look at the moon, you see clear, but when you look in the lake, you see like a reflection. So something's going on underneath. Somebody's hiding something. So I cover with the angel card. The Lovers. Oh, intimate relationship. Careful, wait your decision. Something's going on underneath. Good health. So message from the crystals. I express gratitude for the good fortune in my life. The next one combination is dog and Pisces. Some of the personality things, they have excellent ability and talents, like showing of themselves in public. They are proud and confident. In love, they want to keep sense of security. Message from the Tarot. You are going through some challenge. You have to make a decision. You have like an intuition test. You should get more information and let things evolve for a while. I cover because she's tight at the eyes. Justice. Wow. This is like a justice, right? She's covered, and here's justice. Fair and just decision. Do what you know is right. Stand up for your beliefs. And I got two cards from the crystals. First one, I am filled with optimism and creative energy. And the second one, my heart is filled with love, peace, and harmony. Good. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.